Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Tutor. Today in this video, I'm going to show on how to make a CapCut video collage TikTok ratio. So let's get started. First, open your CapCut app on your mobile device. Then tap the new project. Now choose your project that you want to collage. At the bottom left corner, tap the collage. Then tap the check button. At the bottom, you will see the ratio icon, then tap it. After that, you will see the TikTok ratio, then tap it. Tap the check button to make it TikTok ratio. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please do follow, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos.